All right, everyone, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. I'm sorry for the past few days I haven't had the camera turned on. I'm not really feeling well, so bear with me. This is actually a very important video. It's pretty cool because there's the IPOs seem like they're turning back, and some recent IPOs have actually been making money. Even AIXI, there's been numerous times since it went public that you could make money off of it. And we had another one yesterday that popped from $3 that it went public all the way up to $12 and so on. So it's pretty awesome. And there's one that's coming up that only has 750,000 free float. And I think that also if you see the float to shares outstanding, it is insane. It is the smallest I have ever seen in the past 2 years guaranteed, which is going to make it very volatile. So I think it has the makings of a pop, but I'll tell you at the end of the video what I personally would do. Now, before I get to that, I want to show you some things. I want to give you a Discord update, basically my Patreon update. What you're seeing here is April 4th, 2023, which is basically today. Today, I made this calls in pre-market, the green dots. I basically called that I would buy ASXC at 66 cents. That was all pre-announced, all of them. And I also said ahead of time that I would buy KLR at 167, SCCO at $1, NFTG at 198. Like I said, pre-announced. They knew that from before I would buy. I ended up selling ASXC in regular trading hours at 67 cents for a $30 profit because I really didn't see it going anywhere, and it turned out that I was right. Again, when I sell, I let everybody know ahead of time. So I bought KLR at 167. I told everybody at 174 that I'm selling. I made $290 on that. I bought SCCO at $1 and I sold it at $1.07. Now this one I was really confident and I liked it, so I placed quite a bit of money. But I got nervous. That is because when you place a lot of money, you get more nervous. And so at $1.07, when it went up 7 cents, I was already up $350. And so I decided to get out. But that was a huge mistake. All right, and yes, I made $350 profit. It was awesome, but it was a huge mistake because it went all the way up to 160, and I missed over $2,500 extra in profit. But everybody else who was in my Discord and followed me along in SCCO at $1, some of them sold at $1.40, others at $1.50, others at $1.20, $1.30, so they made more money, and I'm happy for them. And also NFTG at $1.98, I sold at $2.26, which was awesome. So that's 4 out of 4 pre-market picks. And then in regular trading hours, also I called out 2 other picks, which I can't show because they're still open positions. They're part of my Patreon. If you want to join us, the link will be in the comment section below. But both of these, I can actually close them right now if I wanted to for a slight profit. So that would make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 out of 6 right. Also yesterday, one of the Discord members asked me, is there any good swing trades? And I told them that, now mind you, this was yesterday. I told them that GETY at $5.52 would go over $6 the next day. Well, the next day, which is today, as I'm doing the video right now, it's at $6.98. So that was another good pick that I made. The past most recent 37 trades I have made on my Patreon and Discord, 35 of them are already sold profitable. So I'm not saying I'm perfect, but I'm actually, it's something that I'm proud of, and I want to share that with you guys. All right, guys, the stock we're going to talk about is Lucas GC Limited, which is available for pre-order right now. It has filed for a $6.4 million US IPO. The company provides recruiting services and software in China. So it's based in China, and it was created to develop SaaS-based human capital management platform. Management is headed by the founder, CEO Howard Lee, who has been with the company since 2011. It offers permanent employment recruitment, flexible employment recruitment, outsourcing services, and it has received $17.4 million from investors, including 51 Job Incorporation, MLT Holdings, and others. If we look at the total revenue of the company, 2020 they had $32 million, 2021 $97 million, first 6 months of 2022 $45 million. So as far as the revenue is concerned, it looks good. The gross profit loss went from $8 million to $26 million and $13 million for the first 6 months of 2022. Gross margin is at 27% on average, so that needs a little bit of work. Operating profit loss in 2020 was $407,000, 2021 $5 million, and only $2.6 million for the first 6 months of 2022. Comprehensive income loss went from $622,000 to $5.8 million. Cash flow from operations went from $9 million to $1.1 million in the first 6 months of 2022. The company has $4.3 million in cash, $14.6 million total liabilities. The free cash flow is positive $5.8 million. They're only going to offer 750,000 shares. Like I said, it's available for pre-order right now at $8.50 per share. And the float to outstanding shares ratio is at 1.89%, which I've never seen that in the past 2.5 years that I'm doing YouTube videos. Now, if we look at the market cap, it's at 338 million, enterprise value 329 million, price to sales 3.17, EV to revenue 3.09, EV to EBITDA 62.7, earnings per share positive 15 cents, operating margin 4.9%, the net margin 5.4%, and the valuation score is neutral. There is no way that I think that this company is a great long term. I really don't believe that. But I think for day one, now the thing is, what I hate about IPOs that are $8.50 per share, I don't like that. I personally don't like pre-ordering an IPO that I don't believe in the long term anyways, and pay $8.50 for it. The underwriters are Benchmark Capital and Valuable Capital Limited. I'm still undecided, to be honest, whether I would want to pre-order or not, because one, I think it's going to pop most likely, but we don't know. There's nothing, it's not 100%, right? This market is crazy, so don't take that as 100%. And I repeat, the market is insane this year, so it's very tough to predict anything. My valuation score is just for entertainment purposes. And why I wouldn't want to pre-order this is because I hate paying $8.50 per share for IPOs that I don't believe in anyways for the long term. So I am undecided, to be honest. I don't know as of right now. I might not. I don't know. We'll see. Right now, I'm being honest. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, and I wish you all the best and take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.